What's up everyone, it is Jason and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to share with you a plug for an accessory that I found that I think is a super cool thing for those that use these, the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer style glasses to use to help make the experience a little bit more, I guess, enjoyable in different ways. These glasses have become such a wave and I've been using them for quite some time. I have a couple of different pairs. They're all prescription. Some of them transition to sunglasses during the day, but these glasses allow you to record some really cool point of view footage from your events and from all things that we have going on. I mean, I use them for a lot of different stuff and not just getting imaging or recording videos of my events and the things that I do as a DJ. I use them a lot in my personal life, time with my family. I was just on vacation, I use them quite a bit. I think they're super cool. I think as Ray-Ban and Meta evolve the platform and the software, the firmware that powers these glasses, they continue to expand on the platform as a whole, and they allow you to do some really cool things. The recent update allows you to now connect your glasses to your calendar. It can tell you about your meetings. I use them to listen to music and podcasts and videos while I walk. I use them to read out text messages to me at different times, and I use them during my events to help me in different ways. So here's a super plug for you if you're a user of these Ray-Ban glasses. If you notice, I'm recording this footage right here, right now. I've got my son Julian here in the office. I've got RJ recording, and I just put these really cool LED smart glass stickers on my glasses to basically like hide the fact that I'm recording you right now. Right now you can't see the light is actually on, but if I take it off, you should be able to see that these glasses are actually active. These right here are a really cool accessory that I found, and no gatekeeping here on this channel. I like to share things that help people, and I think that these glasses have become the wave used by a lot of DJs for a lot of different reasons in a lot of different ways at their events and in life in general. These glasses continue to evolve, and I'm really impressed not only by what these glasses do, but how Meta and Ray-Ban continue to evolve these glasses. Actually, I should say Meta, because they're the force that's constantly updating the hardware, the firmware, and the capabilities of these glasses. If you're on the fence of buying these, there's a lot of use cases on ways that you can put these in play. I use them not only to record video, just like I'm doing now, or take pictures, whether it be at my events or in my personal life. I use them to listen to music because there's speakers in here. I use them to take calls because there's speakers in here. I use them to watch videos and do things that I don't want the world maybe to hear while I'm in a public place. I can watch Instagram stories and I can hear what's going on, but like it's not letting everyone know what I'm doing, and I don't have earbuds in. I can actually hear what's going on around me. I use these glasses to ask the glasses using the Meta AI platform to tell me what I'm looking at, and the actual video and the glasses will tell me what it is that I'm looking at. And if I have a question on what this is, it literally can tell you what you're looking at. If you look at a flower, you can say, what kind of flower is this? And the glasses will tell you the type of flower it is. These glasses can do things like it can help you with translation. So if you're speaking to someone that doesn't speak the same language as you, you can ask the glasses to translate what the person is saying and how to respond to them. Super cool, incredible technology that continues to evolve, and I'm a big fan of these glasses. These stickers are a game changer, and they're an accessory that I think a lot of people will value. I like using these glasses at events, but I don't want everyone to know that I'm recording with these glasses with this flag. So this little sticker right here can be placed on the glasses, and it can hide the fact that I'm actually recording. Now, I'm doing this not to be shady in any way, shape, or form. The point of this is to just fly under the radar. I like to do introductions and I like to record things, but I notice when the glasses are on, people sometimes look and they're like, what are you doing? Like they don't know what it is, and they're like trying to figure it out. And I feel like it almost is distracting to me as a user, because even though I know what's going on, it's like I've got a lot of different things going on. I'm trying to show first person point of view as to how the introductions are going on. And people might be like looking at you like you're crazy because they don't know what the glasses are. It's amazing to me that these glasses have been out for a little while now. I've been using them for a while at events and in my life in different ways. They're just really catching on now in different ways. And I have them set up. I wear prescription glasses. I have them set up with prescriptions, and I ordered them all through Meta. I also have another plug, which I'll put in the description of this video, that gives you access to a resource that can actually cut you prescription lenses that can be put into your glasses if you order them in the past without prescription and you'd like to do it. They also offer you ways to personalize the lenses, and you can have different colors or different shades or different intensities. But the cool thing is, if you have a prescription and you're able to share that prescription, you can order replacement lenses for these glasses that are outside of Meta or Ray-Ban, and they're cost effective. And I just ordered a bunch of them. I have a couple different pairs of these glasses and I use them all the time. The point here is sharing with you an accessory that I think a lot of people would be interested in. And it's something that I think makes these glasses a little bit easier to use in certain settings. And it's not to be like shady or misleading or whatever. It's just to maybe like eliminate the ability of attracting attention that you might not want in order to use the glasses. Now, I don't use these glasses to do things that you shouldn't be doing or recording things that you shouldn't be doing, but like having them and having this sticker, this right here, where I'll put the link in the description of this video that is associated with my Amazon affiliate account, so you can get the hookup. This little hookup comes with 12 different stickers. So like if one falls off, boom, you can put another one on, no problem. They actually stick on and they stay pretty well as long as you put it on properly, but you just simply stick the sticker on top of the lens, and that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that right there in frame, but like, it's just something that if I turn the glasses on and now I'm recording, you don't see that blaring LED light. You can kind of see it from the side, which is okay, but it's not an indicator dead on. Now, on the inside, you still get the indicator, but on the outside, the light is blocked. And they actually built it with a little piece of plastic to allow the light in so the sensor doesn't flag, so the glasses still work, because if you cover the light, the glasses don't work. This is like a workaround. It's a hookup. It's a plug that I think is super cool, and it's an accessory that I think a lot of people would benefit from having. That's why I'm recording a video for the channel here with it. So if you want some hookups here for accessories for your Ray-Bans and you're someone that uses these Meta glasses, this right here is the hookup. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video. Be sure to add a comment. Let me know if you've got any questions, or if you decide to invest in, this is like 15 bucks too. If you decide to invest, you support me, you support the channel, and I wanna hear what you think of the glasses and of the stickers that go into the glasses. Anyway, a lot of content here on the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be on the lookout for more content just like this to help you level up your performances, your gear, and all things DJ world here in the future. Anyway, be on the lookout, more content coming real soon. Thank you so much for checking this out, and we'll see you real soon.